Shorty rock, and let the people decide if he a biter or if he authentic. I'm not saying everybody should be allowed to just take what whoever got going on. I'm not implying that, but I feel like that whole situation, it sounds petty. It's like, what we talking about?
When it comes to A$AP Rocky and Travis Scott, egos clash faster than you can say diss track, and this time Rihanna got dragged into their long-standing feud. I know what you all are thinking. What did the men do this time? Well, they can't seem to stop throwing shade at each other. Gah, men in love do stupid stuff. Anyway, A$AP Rocky graced the stage at Rolling Loud Miami in all his legendary glory. Little did we know that he was about to serve up some piping hot tea. In the midst of his electrifying performance, Rocky dropped a bombshell of a new song, and oh boy, did it throw some major shade at none other than Travis Scott. First you stole my flow, so I stole your B, then you stole my style. I need my 10%, all the disrespect, I hope you take offense, he rapped.
Flow, so I stole your beat. If you stole my style, I need at least like 10%. What all them disrespect, I hope you take offense.
The lyrics were pure fire, accusing Travis of stealing Rocky's flow and style, and even daring to claim that he swiped his girl. Guess who that could be? Our very own Queen Rihanna. Y'all, it was a verbal smackdown for the ages. And this isn't the only time A$AP has expressed his displeasure at Travis copying him.
Travis Scott stole his whole style.
Yeah.
From A$AP Rocky.
Yeah. He's trying to figure out how to ask this question.
Thank you for reading my mind. Is that something that you entertain?
Nah, you can't.
Fans support A$AP on this one. There have been quite a few similarities between the two rappers. Coincidence much? Highly unlikely. Some enraged fans took to Twitter to support A$AP. Travis stole Rocky's swag in front of the whole world. It's only fair that Rocky calls him out in front of the whole world. Another one joined in and said, I mean, we all can see how Travis adopted A$AP Rocky's style just by looking at Travis. And you are so terribly wrong if you think this feud is recent. No, this drama goes way back. It has been simmering like a spicy pot of gumbo for years. Cast your mind back to 2019. When Rocky's freestyle left fans raising their eyebrows, wondering if there was trouble in paradise between these two. Back in 2019, some had thought his freestyle referenced Scott. Please don't compare him and me, you offending me. This ain't a diss and we ain't enemies. They concerned with making hits, I'm more concerned with making history, Rocky sang at the time. However, a few days later, he tweeted, that me and Travis beef shit so played out, let it go. A public Twitter showdown? Now that's some grade A celebrity drama right there. But oh, that's not all. The seeds of animosity were first planted back in 2015. Travis Scott, bless his soul, had an unforgettable encounter with a fan who mistook him for A$AP Rocky. And what did Travis do? He clapped back with fiery words, making it crystal clear, I'm not motherfucking A$AP B. Oh, it was a snappy response that had the gossip mill working overtime. Now here's where things get scandalously juicy. Whispers and rumors suggest it all started over none other than the queen of pop, Rihanna. Travis Scott reportedly had a fling with her back in 2015 and even collaborated on her chart-topping Anti the following year. Yes, you heard it right. Travis Scott and Rihanna were an item. Hold on, this was no ordinary romance. It was one shrouded in secrecy and jealousy. It all began when Travis and Rihanna first crossed paths at the 2013 opening ceremony runway show during New York Fashion Week. Sparks flew, and they decided to keep their budding romance on the down low. Collaborating on Rihanna's 2015 hit, "Bitch Better Have My Money," only fueled the speculation further. But here's where it gets twisted. Former Complex editor Lawrence Schlossman opened up about their relationship in his podcast, Throwing Fits. He explained, I broke the news about him and Rihanna, which they told me not to do. Lawrence further stated that while Travis was angry about it, he believed that it was Rihanna who truly wanted to keep the relationship private. He added, it's not because Travis is like, don't tell anyone I'm smashing Rihanna. It's because Rihanna's like, don't tell anyone that I'm smashing Travis Scott, please. It's obviously embarrassing as F. Unfortunately for Travis, the story went public and Rihanna was not pleased. Ouch! The news ultimately strained Travis's ties with Complex, and he reportedly complained about it for years after. And if that wasn't enough of a blow to poor Travis's ego, Rihanna had a change of heart, and she fell head over heels for none other than A$AP Rocky. It seems that Rihanna's connection with A$AP Rocky only added fuel to the fire. Fast forward to December 2020, and the world finally got confirmation of Rihanna and A$AP Rocky's relationship when they were spotted holding hands in the streets of New York City. Now they are expecting their second bundle of joy together. Rumors are swirling that Travis Scott might just be feeling a little green-eyed over Rihanna and A$AP Rocky's blossoming relationship. It's like a real-life fairy tale. Rihanna and Rocky have a baby together, and another precious bundle of joy on the way. Their love story is already something straight out of a chart-topping hit, and it's got tongues wagging with jealousy. Rihanna and Rocky, two musical powerhouses in their own right, ready to take the world by storm. Some say they could be the next Hollywood royalty, like Jay-Z and Beyoncé. Rocky's latest single, Riot, Rowdy Pipin', has got everyone talking. With lyrics like Lux Balm Up in My Palm, new collab with my baby mom.
Lux Balm Up in My Palm, new collab with my baby mom.
It's hard not to read between the lines. Could he be hinting at a musical collaboration with none other than Rihanna, his baby mama? But you know how it is with rappers and their cryptic lyrics, they can be open to any interpretation. In a recent chat with Complex, Rocky dropped some major hints about his future plans with Rihanna. He confessed, "I'm always down to collab with my partner. She's a phenomenal creative. Yeah, there's a lot of things we're going to collaborate on. From products for children, there's a lot of things to look forward to." Now, let's connect the dots, shall we? Travis Scott might be feeling a tad bit threatened by the prospect of Rihanna and Rocky's powerhouse partnership. It's not just about the music, it's about building an empire together, from creative endeavors to investing in businesses. Who wouldn't feel a twinge of envy at such an epic power couple in the making? The real question is, will Travis overcome this and find harmony in his own artistic journey? Or will he get swept away in the whirlwind of Rihanna and Rocky's formidable bond? And while all of us were wondering whether A$AP Rocky and Travis Scott will bury the hatchet, both men went ahead and decided to play us. Turns out it was not all chaos and shade. Despite their epic rap battles, Rocky and Travis have shared some surprising moments of camaraderie. They were allegedly spotted together on a plane, sending the rumor mill into overdrive. And here's the kicker. It didn't just pop up on their official Instagrams, it came from a fan page dedicated to Travis Scott, leaving everyone wondering if it's legit or just some fan-made fantasy. Minds were blown as fans tried to decode the cryptic caption that accompanied the pic. What on earth could have motivated this unexpected meetup? Travis Scott has been busy promoting a show in Paris, so could this surprise encounter be a teaser for an epic onstage collaboration? The best part of this drama is the rumored lack of beef between these two rap heavyweights. In fact, Travis was one of many artists who shouted out for Rocky when he was arrested in Sweden. "Free Rocky," he said on stage at London's Wireless Festival.
Let's do it, man. Free Rocky, man. You know what time it is. Yes, sir. Free Rocky.
Despite all the past, it seems they're not interested in pursuing any feuds. So say goodbye to those drama-filled headlines and hello to a possible truce. Let's face it, we're all here for a delicious collaboration, not petty Instagram memes. Just like this Twitter user said, A$AP Rocky and Travis Scott gotta end the beef. But we also can't help but enjoy this juicy love triangle. So you better keep an eye because this trio needs no excuse to create drama.